Here we are back at my project on Cliff Road. You can see the exterior is coming along well. All of the stonework is going in for the landscaping. Take you around, show you some shots of the exterior, and take a look at the inside. Okay, inside all the hardwood floors are in. You can't really see them because they're all covered up to be protected. See the stone getting ready to go on the fireplace. And all our material is in to start our finished trim work. I'll walk over here toward the kitchen. You can see a little bit of the exposed floor there. And then here in the dining room as well. Check back in a few weeks. Should have finished trim up, be able to see what that looks like, and hopefully the exterior is all complete.